Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Type C : and hit enter to execute the command.
Then type cd space C : / and hit enter.
Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter.
Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space C : /.
Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command.
Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space C : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.